Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan Civil Engineer. Basically in this channel we will see why we provide concrete cover in RCC for construction. First we will understand what is concrete cover. Here we will see what a concrete cover is a cover provided for the reinforcement in the reinforced cement concrete. It is provided in RCC in structure. It is defined as the distance between the outer surface of the concrete to the inserted reinforcement. As we see in the figure shown, the clear cover is shown in the section of the RCC beam it is the clear distance between the outer surface of the steel to the surface of the concrete structure. The cover is provided to protect steel reinforcement from corrosion. If cover is not provided, steel reinforcement will corrode and can lead cracks in RCC. Basically, the main reason of concrete cover is to protect the steel so that the cracks should be avoided. Here we will see the minimum concrete cover for the reinforcement. First, at each end of the reinforcing bar, concrete cover not less than 25 mm or less than twice the diameter of the bar should be provided. Means at each end of the reinforcement bar, concrete cover not less than 25 mm is provided. For a longitudinal reinforcing bar in the column, a concrete cover not less than 40 mm, not less than the diameter of such a bar should be provided. Means it is a column. In the column, cover should be 40 mm. In case of a column of the minimum dimension of 20 cm or under, whose reinforcing bar do not exceed 12 mm, concrete cover of 25 mm to be used for the reinforcement. Third one, for the longitudinal reinforcing bar in a beam, not less than 30 mm or less than diameter of the bar. Fourth, for tensile, compressive shear or the reinforcement in the slab or wall, not less than 50 mm, not less than diameter of such bar. For any other reinforcement not less than 50 mm, concrete cover shall not less than the diameter of such bar. For footing and the principal structural member in which the concrete is deposited directly against the ground, cover to be reinforcement shall be 75 mm. Means for the footing, the cover shall be 75 mm. If the concrete is poured on a layer of the lean concrete, the bottom cover may be reduced to 50 mm. For the concrete surface exposed to the weather or the ground after the removal of forms such as retaining wall, grade beam, footing side and top, etc., cover should not be less than 50 mm. Increased cover thickness shall be provided as indicated on the drawing for surface exposed to the action of harmful chemical or exposed to the earth contaminated by such chemical, acid, alkali, saline, atmosphere, sulfur, smoke. Means that when the structure which is exposed to the atmospheric condition like harmful chemical, here we will provide increased cover thickness. For a liquid retaining structure, the minimum cover to all steel shall be 40 mm or the diameter of the main bar, whichever is the greater. In the presence of sea, water and oil and the water of corrosive character, the cover shall be increased by 10 mm. Here we will see the figure is shown effective cover, nominal cover. Nominal cover is the outer surface distance, clear distance to the surface of the steel, what we call is a nominal cover. And effective cover is the center to center distance of the reinforcing of the section to the up to the outer surface. What is the formula here given? Effective cover is equal to overall depth minus effective depth. Overall depth is from that end to this end. Effective depth is equal to this end to this end, up to this end, means the outer surface to the center to center distance of the reinforcing bar. Or else effective cover we can obtain by is equal to clear cover plus diameter of the bar, means this distance clear cover plus half the diameter of the reinforcing bar. Basically here we will understand clearly in this figure. As per IS standard 456, clear cover is given as For beam, what we've seen as previously in previous slide, 25 mm slab, 15 mm for column, 40 mm for footing, minimum 50 mm staircase, 15 mm. I hope you like the data and the presentation. Please like, share, and comment.